host Jason, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to use Wix to make a business website. Wix is one of the most popular website builders around, and after watching this tutorial you'll realize why. So I want you to go onto wix.com, and from there you're going to simply tap on sign up and you're going to create an account. All you'll need to create your account is your email address. You can create this account for completely free. You don't need a credit card or anything like that. Once you have created your account, you're going to tap on create new site. After selecting create new site, I want you to tap on create on Wix editor. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to a new page and you're going to tap on set up without AI. After selecting set up without AI, you're going to tap on the search bar, and from there you can type in the type of business that you're doing or the type of business that you would like to create a website for. For example, let's say we are in the construction field. So we're going to type in construction right here, and you can see construction company, you can see construction worker, renovation construction firm. You can see the different niches right there. So I'm going to select construction company, then tap on continue. After you have tapped on continue, you're going to give it a few seconds while your dashboard is being prepared in the background. Once that has been prepared, you're going to tap on enter your business name. So you can enter your business name right there. Then you can enter your business address. Then you'll tap on continue. Then from here, you'll be able to set up your working hours. So let's say, for example, our business will be open for 5 days per week and our working hours start from 9 a.m. So let's do that, and we'll be closing 5 p.m. So let's do that real quick, and we're going to tap on continue. Then from here you can select the services that you offer, and these are some sample services that Wix is suggesting right here. So you can select whichever one suits you, so you can select them right there. If it is a case that you don't see anything that would refer to your business, you could tap on create new service. Then you could add in the service name right here, then tap on save. After you have done that, you're going to tap on continue. Then from here you can add your staff member's name and email address, then tap on continue. Then would you like to accept payments online? Will you be accepting payments in person also? Then you can tap on continue, then tap on go to dashboard. Once on the dashboard, I'll be showing you how to set up the different payment options that you can offer and so on. So you're going to go over to the left hand menu option, and from there I want you to hover over getting paid right here, and then you're going to tap on connect and set up, and you're going to tap on connect payment method. From here you can connect TiloPay and PayPal. Depending on the country you're located in, you will see different payment options. So for example, if I were to be located in Canada or the United States, I'll be able to offer Klarna and Afterpay and so much more. So it varies depending on the country you're located in. And another thing that I also like with Wix when it comes on to creating a business website, you can use their platform to create invoices by tapping on invoices. From the left hand menu option, you could tap on get started right here, and we could create our first invoice. You could add your business logo right there, your business email address, and you'll be able to create an invoice that you can send to a customer, and you'll be able to accept payments through your invoice. You can also create payment links that you can share. You can also create quotations, so you could tap on price quotes and you could create a quotation by tapping on create a quote. You can also create proposals, as you can see right here, and you can also use their POS checkout. But keep in mind, to use all of these features you will need to go onto their paid plan. But you can see you'll be able to use POS, their point of sale transaction feature right here. And also when it comes on to booking, you could tap on their booking calendar right there. And from here, you can tap on work schedule. and you'll be able to view your work schedule. You'll be able to view your booking list also. So you can see when a client has booked you, so you can view all of that. And also by scrolling down, you can view your sales. You can also hover over catalog, and from there you could tap on booking services. And from here, you'll see the different booking services that we had selected earlier. And again, you could add a new service right there. And when it comes on to editing one of these services, all you'll need to do is tap on edit. Then from there, you could change the picture if you want. You could change the name or the title. You can also change the duration, and you could scroll down and you could also change the price that you're charging. So for example, let's say instead of it being $1, I would like to charge $10. I could do that. You could also change the location from client's place to, for example, if you would like to do it online, you can do that. You can also select a staff member that will be responsible for that particular service. Then you'll tap on save in the top right hand corner. Once everything is finished and to your liking, it is now time to set up how your website looks. To do this, we'll tap on set up in the top left hand corner. Then you are going to tap on design site in the top right hand corner. After tapping on design site, we're going to tap on customize a template. And from here, you can see numerous themes that you can choose from. So you can scroll down and you can select whichever one of these themes suits you. So I'm going to select this one. Then you'll simply give it a few seconds. Once it has been uploaded, you can tap on edit and you'll be able to start making some changes. So at the moment, this is how our website looks, as you can see right here. The first thing you will need to do, once this loads up, you're going to tap where you see the plus 50% right here. And at the moment, this is how our website looks. Now to start making changes, all you'll need to do is hover over any section that you would like to change. So let's say, for example, we like to change the text in this section. You could simply tap on the text and you can change it. So you can see right there, edit text. You can edit the text right there. If you would like to go even more in depth and change a background, you can tap on the section. Then you could tap on change background and you can tap on image and you could change the image. Another thing that you can also do, you can hover over a particular section, tap on quick edit. You're going to see a pop-up window appear on the right hand column, and from there you can make your changes. When it comes on to Wix, it is quite easy to edit their website. And to add something, let's say for example you want to add a text box, an image, anything at all to your website, all you'll need to do is tap on the plus in the top left hand corner that says add elements. From here you can see all of the elements that you can add. So whether you like to add music, video, anything at all that you want to add to your website, is simply here you just have to drag and drop it to your website. And to view all the pages in your website, you'll tap on home in the top left hand corner and you'll be able to see all your pages. So for example, let's view our service page. We could tap on service page right there. And at the moment, this is how our service page looks. You can see it right there. So you can see the different services that we offer, and you can see book now. For example, if I were to tap on preview in the top right hand corner, once on the service page, all I'll need to do is tap on book now. Then we'll be redirected to this page on which we'll be able to select the date and time that we'd like to book our roofing estimate, for example. Then tap on next. Then from here, you will be able to enter your payment method. So you'll be able to select a payment method and then you'll also be able to enter your address. Once everything is to your liking, you'll tap on publish in the top right hand corner and your website will now be live. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.